Hello, today we are going to talk about ICICI Bank Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for ICICI Bank Business Loan. Having minimum turnover is more 70 lakh for existing ICICI customer and 1 crore for other. Co-applicant age should be between 24 year to 60 year at time of maturity. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 2 lakh to 70 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 15.50% to 18.50% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for sanction and 5 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory if applicant is other than proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 2 year. Processing mode will be online. Ownership proof is required. PAN India owned office residence can be considered only where ICICI branch is available. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of ICICI Bank Business Loan: financial not required up to 20 lakh loan. Location will be PAN India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are advocates, jewelers, share traders, gym, liquor, hotel and restaurant, aviation sector, tour and travels, real estate. Specific product for professionals is 50 lakh for MBBS and MD and ROI is 12% to 14%. Required documents: KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.